Okay, so what I have here is a Cable Matters patch panel. Not much in the box. Some zip ties. And this Keystone patch panel. So basically it has, the reason I got this is it has cable management. You can zip tie the cables down and your Keystones slide in here. These adapters, I believe, can be snapped out. It's a little bit of tight fit. Regular Keystone jacks will fit in place. This is a phone, 3 conductor, and I just have some more Cable Matters Cat 6 Keystone. So basically, you take this, you slide it in, and push it down. You can actually punch down the blocks before you slide it in, and it slides. It fits in a 1U rack mount. And so I'm going to have a switch below it, some patch cables, and I'm going to run some cable. And the reason I got this for a patch panel instead of a more traditional patch panel that already has all the ports and punch downs in, is that one, it has this cable with the built-in strain relief, and the other is you can decide if you want to switch some to have a phone jack. You can get Keystone USB, you can get Keystone HDMI, and category 5, category 5E, 6, 7, and whatever. It's modular and upgradable for the future. So I'm going to go ahead and do some wiring and do another video whenever it's the install's completed. But this is, I'll put a link in the description. You can get this for under $20 shipped on Amazon.